minus root 2 is equal to 0. So A is equal to root 2, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus root 2. So discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 5 square 4A C 5 5 are 25 minus minus plus root 2 2 4 2 is 8 33. This is plus, it is given, sorry. So this will be minus. So it will be 17. So that is also B, 17 given B. This is first, second, third. Next, what is the sum of first 20 terms? If A is equal to 4, T20 is equal to 36, sum of 20. S20 is equal to T1 plus T20 divided by N. Four plus 36. First term is 4, 8, 32, 36. There are 20 terms. There are 20 terms. So the first term is 4, last term is 36. So 40. This also 40. So 40, 40, 40, 10 times. So your answer should be 400. That answer is C. Next, first number, last number, second number, second, last number, like that. Which number cannot be represented as a probability? 15%, 2 by 3, 0, 0.7, 1.5. Write down the final answer. 15% means 0.15. 2 by 3 means 0.66666. 0.70. 1.50. So probability cannot be more than 1. Follow? Probability cannot be more than 4. So this is not the probability, not more than 1, sorry. So D is the answer. Always probability of A, that is in between 0 to 1. It can be 0, it can be 1, in between 0 to 1, but not less than 0, not more than 1. Write the equation in the general form. Question number 1b first, that is given 3x is equal to 4y minus 12. Write this into general form, means ax plus by is equal to c form. So 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. Because this will comes the sets only minus, but this will be here only. So it will be what are the roots of the quadratic equation? X square is equal to 9. There are two methods. X square is equal to 9. X square is equal to 3 square. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Second, x square is equal to 9. X square minus 9 is equal to 0. X square minus 3 square is equal to 0. X plus 3, x minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus 3 minus 3, x is equal to plus 3. Any one method used. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Write the 100th term of 2 series. There is zero difference. So it is a constant term. First term will be 2, 10th term will be 2, 100th term will be 2. So 1000th term also will be 2. So T 1000 term is 2. Beta, mute all the mic.
Yes, sir.
When they that anything. Okay. Suppose y is equal to 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 7. So it is 3.5. 3.5 double, it is 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 6. So 6 2s are minus y is equal to 4. 12 minus 4 is equal to y. 8 is equal to y. This is it. Now join the coordinate. 3.5 and 6. 3 and 8. Always x first, then y. Three-digit number which are divisible by 5. We have to find out the total number which are divisible by 5. Three-digit numbers are from 100 to 999. Three-digit number, but divisible by 5. So this is 100, 105, 990, 995. Because next number after 995, it is not divisible by 5. In the first number, which is divisible by 5, that is 100. So your A is first number, your difference always it is 5. Your last number is 995. And every time I'm telling the same thing, that when you have to find out n, don't open the bracket. (995) A is equal to 100, and we want how many numbers are there. So 100 less. Divide by 5. So it is 178 n minus 1. 1 goes this side, so 179. So there are how many numbers? 179 numbers are there. Correct. Single dice is roll. Single die. Single die. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our outcome A for even number. Even 2, 4, 6. So number of S is equal to 6. Number of A, probability of A it is half, means 50%. Now question number 2B. Determine the nature of the root. (2b) root 3x square plus root 2x comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 2, c is equal to minus 2 root 3. Discriminant value, that is delta, is b square minus 4ac. B square 4ac minus minus plus 4 to the 8 root 3 3 3 to the 6 for the 24 root 2 2, that is 26. So this is greater than 0, therefore roots are real but not equal. Playing card, total number of the cards are 52. A for spade. So number of A 13. There are 4 categories. Among that, one is spade. Spade are 13. 13 fours are 52. So that is a 1/4. So the probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S is equal to 13 divided by 52. 1/4 means 25%. Every type are of 25%. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x minus y is equal to 13. Equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So 2x minus 2x, it is 0. 3y minus minus plus is equal to 2y. 3y minus minus plus 3y plus y is equal to minus 2y. 9 minus 13 minus 4. So minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 by 2. Y is equal to 2. Substitute in a very small equation. 2x minus y is equal to 13. 2x minus 2 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 plus 2. So 2x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 1.5. So 1.5, 1.5, sorry, 7.5. 7.7.5, 15. Minus 3 to the 6. So it is 9, correct. So whatever the answer you are getting from one equation, substitute in second equation. If left side, right side, it is satisfied, then your answer is correct. So x first, then y. So the solution is P, not x. This is visible, correct? How many number from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4? So how to get? Ten to 20, 10 to 10, 11, 12, 248, 249, 250. 10 to 240, 250, sorry. Now divisible by 4. 10 is not divisible by 4, 11 is not 12. 12 plus 4, 16, plus this 20. 240, 244, 248. 250 is not divisible. Correct. So your first number is 12. Your difference is 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. And your last term, that is 248. Again, we have to find out n. No need to open the bracket. Minus 12 times n minus 1. 2, 3, 6. D, it is D. Sorry. Because always you will get in round figure. 236 by 4. With 4. One this side. Six zero is the answer. Find the value of k. This mark is very important question. 3x square minus kx plus 48. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3. B is equal to minus k. C is equal to 48. So roots are real and equal. Therefore, discriminant is 0. Discriminant is 0, and discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b square is equal to 4ac. When it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, that constant steps you have to write irrelevant to the question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, when this is given real and equal, delta discriminant is 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now minus comes to this side, so it becomes plus. So b square, so minus k square, 4ac. Correct? So minus k square, 4 will be as it is. 3, take 3 factor from here. So k square is equal to 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, taking square root. Correct? So minus will be here only. So 2 into 3 into 4, 24. So k is equal to minus 24. So systematically you have to first read the question, and as per require, when TN is asked, don't find SN. When only determinant discriminant is given, then don't find the solution, don't make the factors. So what is asked, according to that we have to do the steps. Next to next, very in a sequence and accurately you have to work. Tomorrow I will let you know, because there is a school in a meeting also, and one republic function is also that. So I will let you know till today only 8 p.m. So we'll meet in next session to complete this paper. Thank you very much, and sorry for today's 20-minute delay.